warning for southeastern Fountain County, southeastern Tippecanoe County, southern Clinton County, northwestern Hendricks County, Park County, Boone County, western Tipton County, Montgomery County, northern Putnam County, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles north of Crawfordsville to 7 miles east of Clinton, moving northeast at 80 miles per hour.
Damn.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Frankfort, Crawfordsville, Lebanon, Rockville, Pittsboro, Thorntown, Latiga, Jamestown, Waynatown, Roachdale, Darlington, Kirkland, Linden, Bainbridge, Rosedale, Colfax, Newmarket, North Salem, Liston, and Advance. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 134 and 157. Interstate 74 between mile markers 26 and 61.
No, like the...
Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for central and west central Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Clinton, Fountain, Hendricks, Montgomery, Park, Putnam, Tippecanoe, and Tipton.